In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a site on Webstudio. We'll move from a blank canvas to a simple, styled page you can preview, share, or publish, all inside the Webstudio interface. First, make sure you're signed in and head to apps.webstudio.us dashboard. When the dashboard loads, you'll land in the Projects section. This is your home base for everything you build. From here, click New Blank Project. A small dialog will appear asking for a title. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. Don't worry, you can change it if you need to as your site evolves. Once the editor opens, you're looking at your design canvas. At the top left, you'll see a plus button. This is where you add components, the building blocks of your site. Click the plus button to browse options like headings, text, images, and other media, forms, and more. Start simple. Drop in a heading to introduce your page, then add a paragraph to explain what your site is about. If you need visuals, add an image or video to support your message. For collecting information, insert a form and customize the fields to match what you need. After placing your components, it's time to style them. Select any element and you'll see controls for things like font, size, color, spacing, and alignment. Keep your typography consistent to make your site feel cohesive. Adjust margins and padding so elements have room to breathe. If your brand has specific colors, apply them here to make the design feel on brand. You can also tweak layout properties to position content exactly where you want it. Take a moment to scan the page from top to bottom and refine the spacing and contrast. Small adjustments make a big difference. When you're ready to see how everything feels in context, look to the top right and click the play button to preview. The preview shows your site the way visitors will experience it, so scroll through and make sure text is readable, images look crisp, and buttons are easy to spot. If something feels off, jump back into the editor, make quick fixes, and preview again until you're satisfied. From that same area in the top right, you can choose to share or publish. Sharing typically gives you a link you can send to teammates or clients for feedback before going live. Publishing makes your site accessible to visitors, so use it when you're comfortable with how everything looks. That's it. You've created a site in Webstudio, added components with the plus button, styled your content, and previewed it before sharing or publishing. Save your project, revisit it to iterate, and keep refining your design as your needs grow.